How to find your MetaQuest pin. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your MetaQuest app. Now make sure you have logged into your account. Now at the bottom of your screen, tap on the three lines to open up menu. Now next to MetaQuest Plus, tap on settings. Now under delete data, tap on reset MetaQuest pin. Now enter your current pin and tap on new pin to change the pin. Now in case you have forgotten your pin, tap on forgotten pin and tap on request pin reset. Now you will get an email containing link to reset your pin. Now go back to your mail app, tap on the mail. Now open up the link. Now you can create a new pin. So by following this simple step, you can create a new pin for your MetaQuest app. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.